boring being in detention. So bored. There's nothing to do, literally. I have my book bag. I remember I packed slime in my book bag. Let's again my book bag. Found it. I love these. Let's check it out. Miss, can I go use the bathroom? Of course. Done using the bathroom. What are you looking at? Can I play with your slime? Please? Can I? Of course not. This is my slime and I don't want any germs in it. So that's a big no. Sorry. I'm gonna tell the teacher. Miss Jennifer. Fine. Oh, just don't mess my slime up, okay? Here. Thank you. It's time to definitely mess up her slime. Let's put it on my feet. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa, I really got her slime dirty. Okay, let's get the glitter out. Let me put some hair in it. Okay, I'm done with your slime. Here you go. Thank you. Ew. Why is my slime so dirty? Why does it have hair in it? What did you do to my slime? Oh, nothing. Okay. You're taking a blame. I'm giving the slime right back to you. I'm going to say, she has slime in the class. Here you go. You're offering me to clean the slime? Yes? Thank you. Teacher, she has slime. I wanted to play with it, but she said no, because she'll get me in trouble. Oh, really? Okay, I'll take care of her. Saturday detention. I know. Annoying, girl. That's why you don't ask for my stuff.